I'm going to walk you through the assembly of your brand new Yuba Spicy Curry cargo bike. Remove the bicycle assembly from the box and take anything else out before recycling the box. You'll want to cut all the zip ties before unpacking your bike, and then remove all cardboard and packaging material. These are the parts you'll find outside of the main bicycle assembly. Once you've unpacked your bicycle, place it into a bicycle stand by the seat post. The stand is not necessary for assembly, but makes life a lot easier. First, we're going to install the pedals. The drive side pedal will be turned clockwise in order to tighten. Tighten it first with your fingers, and then cinch it down with the 15mm pedal wrench. The non-drive side pedal is reverse threaded. You'll need to turn this counterclockwise in order to tighten it. Again, tighten it with your fingers and cinch it down with the pedal wrench. Next, we'll install the handlebar assembly. Using your 4mm Allen key, take the front plate cover off your handlebar stem. Place your handlebar in the clamp and install the front plate cover. Loosely tighten all 4 bolts and adjust the handlebar to the desired position. Move your bicycle's console readout so it can be seen while you're riding. Next, we'll secure the front brake caliper. Using the included M6 bolts, secure the caliper to the caliper adapter. Now take your 5mm Allen key and loosely tighten the bolts. Next, we'll install the headlight, fender, and deflapilator assembly. With the headlight on the long bolt, install it into your fork crown. Install your deflapilator L bracket onto the back end of the bolt. Now secure it with the included lock nut. Remove the included fender strut bolts from the fork dropouts. Secure the fender struts with the included hardware. Loosely tighten down the front fender assembly bolt using a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm combination wrench. Connect the headlight wires to the front headlight. Turn the L bracket toward you and install the round end of the deflapilator spring. Using your needle nose pliers, grab the opposite end of the spring and insert it into the eye bolt. Realign the L bracket and thread on the plastic cover. Next up, we'll install the front wheel. Make sure the axle is securely positioned into the fork dropout and begin to tighten the quick release lock nut. With the quick release lever halfway through its travel, snug down the quick release lock nut. Once that's done, fully close the quick release lever. Install the battery from the non-drive side. Position the contacts in place toward the rear of the bicycle and snap the front of the battery into place. Test function by turning on the battery. The battery locks into place, but can be removed using the included key. Your Spicy Curry is now assembled and ready for final tuning.